everyone, welcome to Homemade Chef, our channel where we'll be making different recipes. Today we'll be making the most favorite Indian dessert, kulfi. To add to it, the king of fruits, mango. So here it is, mango kulfi. Come, let us see what are the ingredients that we need. First of all, we need milk. 3/4 liter of milk I have taken here. Mango puree, 1 mango, and sugar half bowl. Condensed milk, which is optional, and milk for soaking saffron, rose water or rose essence, and dry fruits sliced mixed. I have taken here sliced like this. Cardamom powder 1 teaspoon. Now let us take few strands of saffron and soak it in about 1 or 2 tablespoon of milk. At least soak it for half an hour and keep it aside while we prepare the other things. Now take the milk, 3/4 liter I have taken here, and let us boil it in low flame. Once it reaches boiling temperature, it will start forming the cream like this, and you have to keep stirring it and mixing it with milk again. So this way it will form a thick milk when it reduces. You need to keep doing this until the milk will reduce to almost half. See, now it has reduced a little bit, long way to go. It will take about half an hour for this much milk to reduce. Let us keep stirring like this. Now the milk has thickened. You can see the change in the color also. It is almost reduced to half, and this much should be sufficient for us to start adding other things. See the thickness. Now let us add sugar. If you are adding condensed milk, reduce sugar quantity a little. That will help. And ensure the sugar completely melts. Now let us add 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. This is completely optional. This will just give it a little more thicker and creamy flavor. You can always skip it easily, no problem. Now after this is mixed, let's put the saffron milk along with saffron strands. If you get the taste of it, it tastes very well actually. And now let us add this rose essence. By mistake, a saffron strand fell into it. Now let us add cardamom powder. You can add it according to your taste. This is around half teaspoon I have added. Give it a good mix. Now comes our key ingredient, mango puree. I have taken 1 mango. I have not added any water to make a puree of it. It's just pure mango puree. And just mix it well. And turn off the flame. Now we can add the dry fruits. If required, you can add this. Otherwise, you can skip this as well. If you don't like the crunchy flavor in between, you can skip this. And if you like to, you can add some mango chunks also. Here we have the kulfi molds. I have 2 type of kulfi molds here. I'll add it after the mixture has cooled completely. Now I'm adding an aluminium foil to cover the mold. This is so that no water content will enter into the mold. I will do it for both the molds. Or if you are using a container also, just ensure that you use a plastic airtight container and put a aluminium wrap, or a cling wrap also would work. See here, I have stuck it to the stick, the aluminium wrap, and I'll be closing it. This will ensure that there are no ice chunks. That's why this step is very important. Now the kulfi molds are ready to go into the fridge. This should be refrigerated, frozen actually, for at least 6 to 8 hours before you consume it. Mango kulfi is ready to eat. It has come out of the fridge. Just unmold it after 3 to 4 minutes so that it will come out very easily. You don't have to struggle. So here our mango kulfi is ready. Subscribe to our channel Homemade Chef. Also like, follow and share our Facebook page Homemade Chef for more recipes like this. Thank you for watching this recipe and enjoy.